Focus on God, not your problem. If you focus on your problem, on your hardship, on your pain, your trial, the more you focus on it, the bigger it will get. The problem will increase. The more you focus on your pain while suffering, the more it will hurt. You will get hurt more and more, day by day, time by time. Even the servant of God, who is Daniel, when he was on a lion's den, he didn't focus on lion. He didn't focus on his fear, on his trouble. Instead, he kept his eye on his master, that is God. He prayed to God at that moment. He focused God. He laid everything in his master. Don't let your fears, your heartache, your difficulties, your trouble overwhelm you. But focus on the one who has control over everything. In your life, you may face many difficulties. You may face many problems, but don't focus on it. Remember, it will get multiplied day by day. It will increase. Yet focus on your master who has control on everything. He will take control over all your problem, all your trouble. Focus on God.